Hi friends, welcome to Bright Future Hub channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more amazing videos in the future. So please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Okay. So this is what the employee table looks like. Yes. So I'll try to add another table. Like we told, the database is collection of multiple tables. You can ask me the question why we do not save all the data in single table. Look, there is a column called here department number. It does not talk about the department information. Then what is the department? What is the department 10, 20, 30? Why we do not have this? There is another table. This is my local installed, but don't worry, you will have that table also. Yeah. Okay. Always I said better create the local table one as long as login, create table as select start from code.emp. Like that, we have another table called department table. We'll understand that what it looks like. Okay. So both the tables are created locally. Now onwards, you need not to prefix your code dot because it is in your. There is a schema called I have created a two table. I don't have it. Okay. So and also there is a table called department table. It has holding the department information, but employee table has only the department number. It doesn't have all the department information. We'll understand why the data has been saved like this. But look at here. Department table has a department information. Employee has employee information, whereas the department table has a department. How these two tables are related to each other? How they related to each other? There is a common column. You can see that what is a common column, how they related to each other between these two tables. There is a department number that is called a common column as a bridge column. Department number in the employee table, that is EMP of DPT number. I can say specify like this. DPT number and D name, and this is a location where the department working. If I ask you what is the department name of the department number, what you do? As I have an employee table, this is my employee table and this is my department table, correct? So if at all I ask you someone, how do you find the department name of the department 10? What we do, we go here to the department and we match the respective record and we know that what is the department name, correct? We find that for the department 10, department name is accounting and the location is in New York. If I ask for department 30, as we see is you take the department 30 from here and it matches the corresponding record in department table and you're going to find that respective record. This is how it works. But you can ask me why we haven't saved this information in the employee table itself. Why this employee table and the DP table we have two separate columns? Why is such so? Okay. Okay, this is how the relation. What is the relation between this is your department table, this is your employee table. What is the relation between these two tables? Department number is your relation. This is the one using this column only you can match or fetch the data. You can relate this using column, this column only is, otherwise you cannot relate these two tables. There is a common column called a department number. Using this, you can relate these two tables and fetch the data. So we're going to learn today this relationship we use, and we're going to fetch the data from multiple example. As such, when I run here, I'm just have a local data. This is how it looks like if you install Oracle locally. This is how it looks like. Going to the same data, same everything. So in this table, you do not have the department name and its location. Only what you have, department number. If at all you need department name and the location, where you should be extracting from, this data is sitting in the department table. This is a table where we have a complete details of the department number. You need to extract example for the department 10, accounting is the department name and location is in New York. Using the relationship between these two tables, we are going to extract the data. This is how we call the relational database management system, because your tables are related to each other, correct? Now, before going to that, you can ask me why I have to save the data in this format. Why not everything in the single table? Why we should not save? First is, I wanted to save the department name for all the 10. Look at how many times I'm going to duplicate the data. This is how the duplication, one is duplication problem. Look at here, the data has so much already duplicated. For 20, I'm going to have this data for all the 20 fields. For 30, I have it for 30. Okay. And what about this? It doesn't have any department. This 40 does not have any employees. There isn't, this is a department exit, but it's not operational as such. No employees or belongs to department number 40. Correct? You see, there is no relationship between. Yes, department number, department you can relate. Sorry? Oh, you're not shared. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. I'll repeat one more time. You can ask me. I stop the recording or restart. Stop recording.